services. IT. What is IT? Information technology. Okay. You have IT companies, are there, no? IT organizations. IT organizations are there. IT. What IT organization will do? IT business. What IT organization will do? IT businesses. This IT business means it provide IT service. Service or services. Provide IT service or services. It can be one service or it can be a multiple services. Example I'm showing, guys. First, Savantis. Go to Savantis organization. So this is a Savantis organization. This is also IT company. Okay. Also, we are doing staffing and other solutions. But you can see services. SAP consulting services, SAP S4HANA, SAP customer experience, analytics, analytics cloud, embedded analytics, warehouse clouding is there. Cloud management, cloud IaaS, hosting, SAP, SAP basis outsourcing, application support, SAP ALM, and staffing solutions means recruitment to different companies based on our payroll. Okay, this kind of stuff. And different type of industries we are supporting. Okay, oil and energy, oil, gas, life science and pharmaceuticals, technology, automotive and industries, consumer goods, alcoholic beverages, and retail kind of stuff. Okay, you go to the main site. So contact us. We are in a contact us. So you can see what are the different technologies, what are the clients. See, different clients. Southco is a one client, OSS Soft, okay, sports basement. So like this is a different Maryfield, different client companies. And we have a cloud partnership with Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, okay, IT platforms like this. So we are providing a service to the different clients, different type of services. We take HCL Technologies. You go to their website, you will find what is the company, guys. It is a very important question. I think already I told you. That is, what do you know about Savantis and what do you know about HCL? Like that's different organizations also they may ask. Different services, so you can see. It's a very big company, right? So different digital businesses, digital foundation, digital process operations, engineering and R&Ds, cloud smart, IoT works, edge tech, application support and maintenance, digital consulting, digital application platform, application modernization and integrations, data analytics, software as a service, enterprise applications, digital foundation, consultant, hybrid cloud, cyber security networks, intelligent operations, unified service management, and different kind of stuff, different tools, different technologies, different type of services, different type of industry supports, different type of customers. Okay, some are related to banking, public sectors, healthcare industries, aerospace and defense system, energy utilization, consumer goods, capital markets. Okay, so this is the latest news. CEO and Managing Director HCL Tech, C. Vijay Kumar. knowing about CEO, work culture and all. This is the services part. Only engineering services, only digital services, only cloud services also can get what are the services they are providing. You can go to one by one and see that's to know about something. You don't require to know do research work. Just go and see what is the names are there. Then you can add it one by one. Okay. So it depends upon how you go through it. That is important. Okay. So if you go to Microsoft giving lot of services, Cognizant, Wipro, like different companies, well-known, well-noted organizations, Oracle. These are all different IT organizations, and they are doing IT businesses. What they are doing, they are providing IT service or IT services. For example, you take Geo, Airtel. That is also there. No? Geo is there, Airtel is there. Okay. For example, you take Airtel. Airtel is providing mobile connectivity, so telephone, internet, broadband connectivity, and TV. Airtel TV is also there. No? TV, smart TV, normal TV. TV means channels, right? So we can watch different movies, services, DTH types of service, customer support services. Okay, like this. This is different type of services that are provided. To whom they are providing? To different organizations. To whom they are providing? To IT organizations, non-IT organizations, and non-IT organizations, and maybe individual users also. Or any individual users also. IT organizations, non-IT organizations, and individual many individuals. For example, just for example to understand, I'm using a Gmail account, right? I'm also using a Gmail account, for example. So I can use Gmail account either free or paid version. I'm using a Gmail account. Okay. So new batch I given one exercise. There are posting. Very good. Okay. So I am using a Gmail service. Okay. I'm an individual customer to Gmail.com. I'm a maybe technical person, non-technical person. I'm using or I'm using Gmail services. Just for example, maybe it is a paid version or free version. I'm using Amazon. Amazon is providing e-commerce support. I'm accessing Amazon service. One more is I will tell you. This is Office 365, Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office 365. I will give you a small introduction to it. Okay, what is Office 365? It's a cloud-based service. So where is my document? This document only. Separately, we are putting some information here in some box. We should have a box. Okay, no problem. What is Microsoft 365 or Office 365. Yes, it is a cloud-based. It's a cloud-based service. Okay. It's a cloud-based service, and it is a software as a service type. Subscription model. It's a subscription model, means a monthly or yearly while you are using. Okay, you can unsubscribe anytime. Okay, simple. You can access Office code, means Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Outlook like this anytime, anywhere, any device, anytime, anywhere, any device. Online and offline access also there. This is for home and business.
So online and offline access होगा, but there is office.
Tell me.
So online and offline access,
Yeah.
not a office access.
What is this online? Look at here. I am currently connected with internet, so I can open things from the browser. See, I am taking your attendance in Office 365 Excel sheet. In the browser, I am accessing. Okay. If I know this link, I remember link, or I have a username password. So only Office 365 username password I know. Maybe if I'm not with laptop, I have another system, so I can log it with that one. Okay. I don't need to be have my laptop. So if I remember my username and password, of course there is username and password. So I can log in to my office from anywhere, any device through web browser. I can access simple and put a username password. I can see my all my data. I can take an attendance from there. This is online. I can do Excel, Word, PowerPoint, everything through online only. Offline. Offline means you can install in your local PC. So for example, I want to work with my Excel sheet. This is offline. So here it is. For example, I open one of the Excel document, which is in my desktop only. This is the one I open here. Okay, offline. I don't require internet to access my document from my PC where it is installed. So both I can able to access, both online, offline kind of stuff.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Online, offline access. Even I can access through mobile. Yesterday, when of course I given a break, it is happened something, so how to be go out. with the team. Okay, so I cannot able to continue. I cannot able to return immediately. It's already time's up. So I told I open in my mobile Microsoft Teams. This is also part of Microsoft Office. Okay, so I open this Microsoft Teams. I log in there from my mobile, and I told this is fit for today's class because I can't able to return to office immediately. Okay, I struck out. So that's the happen. So that is another one. So I want to do some modification in your document, so I can do it. Even this is Google Cloud. This is the Google Software as a Service. Google Docs is an example
Sir,
for a
this
software as a.
HTTPS is a protocol, no, sir.
Yeah, it's a because we are accessing over a web. When you access
Yeah.
something over a web access, it's
Uh,
a HTTP or HTTPS protocol. Very good. Okay. So this is small point about a Office 365. So who is providing this service? Microsoft. Who is accessing the service? Our organization. It is 70s is taking this service. Not me. Personally, I'm not taking. Okay, 70s is taken my service. 70s email ID compulsory. Okay. And who is providing this service? Google is providing this particular service. Who is accessing? Personally, I am accessing. Okay. This not belongs to my organization. Okay. So just to give an example for this one as well as to knowing small point. This is also added advantage. Software as a service. It's a subscription model and you can access your office through online, offline. You can able to access. Mobile editions also, mobile applications also available. Offline means locally installed application is there. Online through web browser you can able to access. So otherwise I will put it using web browser. Online means using web browser you can able to access. You have to log into your office account, then you can access. Online local installation.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you please tell me Microsoft Dynamics 365 is it same for like Office 65, 365?
No, 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 no. So it's a different part. A Dynamics 365 is a CRM.
What are the use of it, sir?
Dynamics CRM is an offline tool, and a Dynamic 365 is a cloud tool, software as a service tool. Okay, this is like a Salesforce. Another example is Salesforce. Salesforce also CRM tool.
So it is used for development or or for
And this not
which
belongs to
purpose?
development. It is actually it is customer relationship management. Banking sectors. Now most of the businesses like a customer related, right? So customer related relationship management, customer data, customer information, customer maybe they taken a loan or maybe they have taken a deposit and they need a suggestions or maybe they need a means loan is approved like this entire information you can access through this
जी
dynamic
जी
CRM or a Salesforce. Okay.
ओके
Because they have two types of like technical and functional.
Okay, administration and as well as a operational. Like you have a Salesforce project, like you are an administrator, then you will create user accounts and all. That is administration side. Okay, other side is access. Like I'm a employee who is access Salesforce for a customer data. Two parts. One is administration side, another is operational side. So development is nothing. Development is already developed by Salesforce organization and Microsoft 365. Sorry, Microsoft organization already developed that one. You have to do all the setting. for example, this is a Google Classroom, right? So what I will get it? Nothing. I will get a classes, calendar, to review, archive classes, settings only. But I have created these things. First I created this test class, and then 18th batch and 19th batch related, and then I added all this information. Okay. In your batch, I added a Ravan sir also here. Okay. So like that. So creating users, accessing, um, logins, putting other database connectivities. That is a administration side. Accessing side means people who want to see from data how to use a tool. Already created environment it is. So they will get a customer information or a user information, student information. So they will get it from there. Okay. It's not a software development, but
Okay,
it
sir.
is also good. It is also good. It is also one of the demand tools in the market.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what.
So Salesforce also have a language like Apex, Trigger, Lightning. What are these?
Administration side, you may have to learn few things about it. That's I don't know much. Okay, so here it is. Dynamic CRM is a offline tool, and this is software as a service. Another example for a software as a service is Dynamics 365. Okay, I never went to the Salesforce also. You need a lot of strong language skills because it's a CRM. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Anything, guys, if you have a chance to learn. That's it. Okay. So no need to.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's the point. Okay. So you got the point. Okay. So you any chance of learning something, just learn. That's it. So this is the point I just added up wantedly, and to also this is one of the important question in your interview. Okay. Of course, about a cloud services, a private cloud, public cloud is there, but I'm just pointing what is Office 365. Okay. Where are so I am getting Office 365. Why I am told that one? Another example. Okay. Why I am using Office 365 or a Dynamic CRM. Good example. Or maybe Dynamic 365 or Salesforce. My organization is providing certain services to the customers, like a sales, customer support related, or a customer relationship management we are maintaining. But I need a tool. Who build the tool? Microsoft or Salesforce organization build the tool. SAP. SAP organization build the SAP tool. I'm using for my service. So it means these IT organizations provide IT services to IT and non-IT. So IT services can be required for IT organizations as well as non-IT organizations as well as individual users. So non-organizations. I'm an individual person, not belongs to any organization. For example, Gmail I'm using, Google Docs I'm using. I'm as an individual user. Office 365 I'm using as an organization, so as a part of organization. Because I'm working here, I'm getting that one. If I'm outside of this organization, I don't get a Office 365 that service. Again, I have to buy separately, and maybe different organization has to provide me. Okay, so different services we are getting, guys. Okay, these IT organizations to provide a services, they have to maintain lot of things. Application development, applications, softwares, applications, infrastructure. Infrastructure means infrastructures or data centers. Data centers. So I'm splitting into two parts. One is application, means completely soft related application tools. Tools may required for an IT organization to provide a service. Different applications required means different applications they have to, someone has to be manufactured. Different tools required to work in organization. You are using a Eclipse to develop a Java environment, right? So we need a Java environment. So we need a IDE, Eclipse, Java NetBeans, IntelliJ. Okay, you go for a Python. Maybe you need a VS Code, Atom, Jupyter, maybe Eclipse or a PyCharm. Okay, IntelliPy something is there. So different tools are required. So you have to get it from someone, right? Means someone has to do it. Okay, so that is the one. And there also required some other services. So completely interdependent. Okay, applications, tools, softwares, different type of developments, scripting, coding. You can use Word, scripting, coding, different kind of stuff I am telling. Just I'm not going to depth. That's why I'm giving small names only. So infrastructures, data centers means what it is contains. Servers are there, storage devices are there, networking components are there. Okay, networking devices, networking components. Okay, internet is required. Okay, so different type of servers, both hardware servers, operating system wise servers, different type of services that are using. Okay, storage management is required, network management is required. Okay, management is required. Both physical security and network security, both are required. Okay, so like this, there is so many things in the organization. Depends upon one IT organization to another IT organization. Some are only do software development. Some are only use a application only. Okay, so for example, I am as I said, Salesforce or Dynamic CRM or Dynamic 365, Sugar CRM. So I'm using a tool to support my customers, but I'm not manufacturing it. Okay, maybe I will manufacture the tools like a Salesforce or maybe Word, Excel, PowerPoint kind of application, or maybe a graphic designing application or video editing applications. Maybe I will do it. Okay, so that depends upon our organization. Different organizations, different type of services that are doing. Okay, so that's the point is IT service provider provides services to IT organizations, different type of services to different type of IT organizations, non-IT organizations, individuals. Why I said non-IT organization? Think like this, guys. Nowadays, this okay. Nowadays, we are all going to shopping malls, right? Shopping. It's just you go to D-Mart, Big Bazaar, Geo Mart, Reliance Mart. There are not IT organizations. There are non-IT, just shopkeeper. But how they will bill it? There is a scanner. There is a billing scanner is there, and there is a computer. There is a network connectivity. Okay, so this is the IT part only. No? They need a computer. They need a operating system. They need a software inside. For billing, software is required, and their billing should be updated to remote server. Means they need a server to manage a server. Again, they need a storage, network connectivity, and security is required. Okay, so a non-IT organization also required a IT support. That's it is, guys. We have first class. We discuss in the questions why you choose IT. Why you choose IT? Because IT is a fast growing industry. Every place IT requirements is there. Different type of IT requirements. Some organization require an application, some are required a network, some are required a storage, some are required a cloud support is there, right? I'm giving a cloud option also here because it's a infrastructure. The part is actually it's a cloud. So different type of cloud services, infrastructure as a service. So if you cannot able to maintain a server, storage, network kind of stuff, so simply you can go to any cloud service provider. Okay, public cloud service provider like AWS, Azure, or Google or Oracle. Okay, so you can go to the cloud service provider, infrastructure as a service, and buy a one server from there. Not required to buy, just rent a server and access it. You want a storage, rent a storage and access it. Pay as you go. How long you are using, you have to pay for it. Once usage is completed, say goodbye. Okay, platform as a service. For example, you are application developer. You're a application developer and you need a development environment. You don't have that infrastructure. Go to a AWS cloud or Azure cloud or a Google cloud. Ask for a platform to develop your application. So get it. Start doing it. All front end, back end support you will get it. So you can do it. You don't need to install anything. Simply access the supporting tools. Software as a service. I cannot maintain anything. Just I want to use an application from anywhere, anytime, any device kind of concept. Example, Salesforce. Example, Microsoft 365. Example, Google Docs. So Google Docs I didn't install. I'm not maintaining Google Docs. Simply I'm using it. This is another service. Cloud is also one of the IT services. One more service is there that is called a support, IT support. If we can't able to. IT support is also one of the IT services are supporting everything. User using my cloud services. User is or IT organization or non-IT organization or individual users utilizing my IT services. They may get issues. Someone has to support them. Someone has to support them. So that is IT support services is one of the IT service. Okay, so one of the IT service. Now, otherwise we can put it completely new page, fresh topic now. Like this. Guys, understand what is IT service?
Yes, sir.
Actually, I have a very good picture is there, and which is I already posted here. This is the picture, color picture it is. Now I will draw here separately, even it is take little bit time. Actually, there is a roles and responsibilities of a different IT people are there. So that's I don't do it, guys. Try to understand. This is an IT organization. This is a IT organization. For example, I started my own company. Okay. This is some IT tech solutions company. Okay, think like this is an organization. Okay, and there is a customer. The customer can be different places. Okay, customer is a common word, guys. Normally people say client or a customer. No problem. We are providing a certain service. So who is this? This guy is nothing but a service provider. Is a service provider. And who is this one? We can put any name for this candidate. Client, customer, client, or a user. Client or a customer or a user. Okay, so he's providing an IT services to the customer. So I use arrow mark because he is providing a IT services to the customer. You know, when they are providing IT services, they will give SLA. There is an SLA, service level agreement. Service level agreement means I am providing these services, okay, in these conditions. For example, you see in any service related, are you buying something? 1 year service warranty, 1 year service warranty, 2 years, okay, service warranty, or maybe a component replacement warranty. Okay, so you have heard that kind of stuff, right? 100% uptime, 0% downtime, 99% uptime, 99.9999% uptime. Okay, so monthly home visits, monthly office visits. These are all agreement between a service provider and a customer or a client or a user. Why 3 words are there, guys? So normally in IT organization, we call a customer as a client. Okay, he can be a client, can be an organization or a user, means an individual user, right? So like now here is a customer is there. This is a person working in an organization, in client organization. The person is working, is getting some issue from our service. What is the service you are providing? In that service only is facing some issue. Maybe you are providing cloud service, maybe you are providing application service, maybe he needed some information, he need a certain information based on what service you are providing. Okay, maybe you are providing a customer relationship management service, infrastructure services, software services, and maybe server management related, means web related services. He's a web development guy, but you are providing a web hosting. You are doing web hosting. See, I will show you one thing, that GoDaddy. You may heard GoDaddy kind of things, right? Hostinger, V6. These are a different organization providing both hosting and as well as a website. You can purchase a website from here or from anywhere, and if you want to host, for hosting, they will take money. Okay, web hosting means you want to put your web pages, website. The files are there now. You will put it in their organization, their servers. Okay, that is called web hosting. You develop your website and you put your website into their organization. Okay, into their, so you can see, explore the plans. Okay, monthly you have to pay 119 rupees for starter. Okay, their server is a 512 MB RAM, very small server. One website you can able to host. We can get a 10 GB, one database, unmetered bandwidth, daily backups are there. Okay, one click, free one click WordPress install. Okay, so simple, you can develop your own website, but you can able to store. But website is very slow. Why? Because it's a RAM is very slow. So it's a cost. You see, this is the cost. So you go to web GoDaddy. Example, there is a GoDaddy organization, and you want to host your website. You develop your website, or you want to develop a website and host into their web servers, to where their web servers. Then you have to pay, and they will give. This is the service you are getting, and another things like 100% uptime. You can see plans including free SSL certificate, 20 by 4 by security, daily backups, easy to control panel, one click, host name and setup, one click over 150 free apps, global data center it is. Okay, so what kind of other source things we are getting? Okay, okay, so service provider provide a service, client access the service. What is this? Service provider provide a service, client access the service. Okay, so there is an agreement between service provider and a client is called SLA, service level agreement. It stop responding. Guys, can you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Suddenly
Yes, sir.
this is become a not responding mode. Shit. Yes, here is the point. I will do the drawing, guys, here for explanation. Why suddenly my system becomes slower and stuck. Wow, daily is the same problem. Just wait a 5 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. So I think it will be resolved itself. Just wait a 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
It's not working. Yeah, I can. Otherwise, guys, take a break. 10 minutes, take a break. I will continue from here. Take a 15 minutes break. I think I have to restart my PC. Okay.
Sir, hello.
Tell me.
Sir, Vishal Singh is present. Sir, not sir present. We have to, sir, absent.
Okay, no problem. Just take a break. So
Okay.
when we come back and remind me, I will do it.
Okay, sir.
వస్తానండి ఇది స్ట్రక్ అయిపోయింది సడన్ గా వరకు బాగానే ఉంది ప్రశాంతంగా క్లాస్ అవుతుందిరా బాబు అనుకుని ఈరోజు అంతే ఉదయం నుంచి దరిద్రంగా ఉంది